Hi guys, I'm back with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox my friend's birthday gift for me. So my birthday was last month, but I was in the Philippines for a 6 weeks vacation. So I just got back like a week ago. So this gift came yesterday, so let's unbox it together and see what she got for me. Got my knife. I already know what she's going to get me, but I don't know if she got me another gift, but I told her what I want and I think she got that. But knowing her, she would always add more to whatever I told her that I wanted for my birthday. So we'll see. Here we go. Oh, this is so sweet. Pink. She is the sweetest. Oh my god. So I told her I wanted Nike shoes. So she got me a Nike shoes, of course. All white. Oh my god, they're so cute. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Maria. Thank you, thank you. And she got me another Coach. She gave me Coach last year too, but my god. Oh my god, this is so cute. Let's try it. Oh, okay. Here is the thing. Oh, it's got even extra. I think she bought this extra. I'm gonna try it. Try it on. I don't know if she bought this extra or this thing comes with 2. Oh, how do you do that? Oh, I don't even know. How does this thing work? Okay, let's try it. Put it like that. See? I love it. I'm gonna try the other sling. It also looks good. So I'm really short, so I'm gonna put it all the way here. Okay, there you go. Like I'm wearing my pajamas because it's nighttime here and I'm going to bed soon. But okay. Thank you so much, Maria. And that's it for our unboxing video. Wait. White shoes, white purse. Thank you so much, Maria and Danielle. Mwah. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. That's it for our unboxing video. Have a nice day.